Yes, this is a new haircut. And yes, the Hoover is clogged up! Hasta la vista, baby! No, you see, I like that. I'll do it for the Facebook fame. Don't just square. Bun the haters. I do it for the appreciators. Big up Jar Squared on the mic.